name is Chris Roberts. I teach business and economics. There are some similarities and some major differences between the subjects. Firstly, looking at business. Business really in year one looks at the very basics of what is a business, the different forms of business, and then really looks into the various functional areas that make up the business, such as marketing, human resources and operations management. Moving on to year two, it's taken a bit more of an overview from a strategic perspective and looking at what managers can do in their decision making in order to improve businesses with various strategic objectives in place, such as increasing the profit margins, growth into various areas and different segments. Economics covers some of those bits, but I think it's really important to recognise that economics is a social science, that we've got a lot of stuff that's going on in the world at the moment that impacts our delivery and certainly impacts both the theory and the concepts, as well as the practicality of economics. Within economics, the basic problem that we face is the scarcity. And it's scarcity of resources and how we allocate those resources accordingly, and at times making one choice over another and reasons why and what implications and impact that has. The course is broken up into microeconomics and macroeconomics, and that's both split across year one and year two. The microeconomics tends to look at specific segments of the market, whereas the macroeconomics will tend to be kind of national and international level and their impact and implications across. My favourite unit to teach for business by far is marketing. I always find that's a subject everyone's been exposed to marketing, even if it's the first time they've done business, whether that might be a television advert, a billboard ad, and how they reacted to that. And perhaps for similar reasons for economics, it's the behavioural economics module I really enjoy, just seeing why and why not people make certain decisions and the impact that might have. For both business and economics, having a good grasp of English and maths is absolutely essential, but having a very strong understanding and knowledge base from a maths perspective is absolutely essential for economics due to the demands of the subject. From an assessment perspective, both from business and economics, it's ongoing assessment internally. Both exams are assessed at the end of the second year. There are 3 2-hour exams that are assessed externally, which will help you get your A-level. The college timetable changes from year to year. Delivery of each subject will be through 3 1.5-hour lectures, one on each day, so 3 days a week will be expected in, and on top of that there'll be some additional work for you to do outside of the classroom. At Station Plaza we have a dedicated floor for A-level teaching. There are a number of purpose-built classrooms with IT facilities and interactive whiteboards. Station Plaza is an enviable location right next door to Hastings train station, and there are numerous links by bus as well. We have a number of students that come from all over the place. There are a range of possibilities for people after they're leaving college. Many students go on to study economics and business at university, and a range of universities that people go to. There are obviously the practical elements where people can go into apprenticeships, and they may even have the knowledge and the confidence to open up their own businesses, whether that is a sole trader or a limited company. Thanks very much for watching. If you do have any questions, please do get in contact, send them in, and I look forward to seeing you in a business or economics classroom very soon.